Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can create your LastPass account. Well, it is quite easy. All you have to do is make sure that the LastPass application is installed on your phone and then simply open it. So after doing that, here you can swipe to the left again, and then you can get the option of sign up or login. Tap on sign up. So after doing that, here you'll have to write down your email address. So after writing down your email address, tap on create my account. So after doing that, here you'll have to set up your LastPass account password. So make sure that you are using a strong password. So just like this, here you can see I have set myself a strong password, and in order to confirm, you'll have to write down your password one more time in here. And if you scroll down a bit, you can also see the option of reminder. So this is a hint for your password. So if you want to add some hint in order to remember your password, you can do that, but this is optional. So after doing that, here tap on set master password. Just like this, here you can see your ID has successfully been created. So if you want to use any of your biometrics, you can do that, or you can simply tap on I'll do it later. Tap on skip. And then just like this, here you can see we have created ourselves LastPass account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.